Hello and welcome back to QuickTechie. In this video, we will cover Manage Candidate section in detail as well as we'll add a candidate. If you already have candidates, then it will be visible here. However, as part of demonstration, we will delete one of the existing candidate by clicking Delete button. Click on the Add New Candidate button. It will open a new modal pop-up form. First, we need to attach the resume of the candidate. Now browse the resume path. As you can see, it supports either PDF, Microsoft Document or text format of the resume. Please browse the same and select resume. Once you select the resume, wait for a couple of seconds. QuickTechie AI engine tries to get some basic information from resume and populate the same. Most of the time it should work. In case it does not work, you can add manually information. In this case, first name, last name, email and contact number populated. Now add remaining information like location of the candidate, an important thing. For which job you want candidate to get mapped. In this case, we have recently created one job and we will map the candidate against that job. And hit the Save button to save candidate and its job mapping, and we can see that candidate row gets created. Anytime you want to edit or delete the candidate, you can do by hitting respective button. Now let's edit the candidate information by clicking Edit button. As a recruiter, you have added one more job under Manage Job. And you see that this candidate is suitable for another job as well, like in this case Java opening in JP Morgan. You can map the same edit optionally and hit the Save button. Once candidate detail is updated and saved, you can see that now candidate is mapped to two jobs. Against each candidate row you see there are two file icons. Blue one is for downloading candidate original resume and green one is processed resume. You click on green icon. It will download the processed resume of the candidate. In this, all the unnecessary information will be removed like email ID, name and contact number. You click on blue icon. It will download the original resume of the candidate. Anytime, you can download any of these resume. As a recruiter, you can come on this section to manage all the candidates you are considering for hiring. You can delete, edit or add candidates. Thanks for watching the video. We have covered Manage Jobs and Manage Candidates. In next video we will demonstrate how to screen or shortlist the candidate for respective job. Thanks again.